Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Traveling Taylor. And today I'm here with my nephew and my niece, Hudson and Darby. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are going to do the Lumispa Sharpie challenge. So let's see how it goes. So what we're gonna do today is Darby and Hudson are gonna draw on my face with Sharpie.
Yes, here it
I'm
is.
very nervous about it.
Yeah, it's our first time.
It's our first time. And then I'm going to use our Lumispa to wash it off, just to show you like the actual benefits and how good it really cleans.
Yes, so
your
you
face.
guys can do it at home.
Yeah, you could do it at home if you wanted to.
If you have Sharpies.
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, and I'm gonna do
I'm
it
not.
on me. Here, yes, you are ready.
Okay.
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 No.
Okay. Oh my gosh, she threw like a lightning bolt on the side of my face. Okay, so this is what we got. This is what we're working with.
Don't do it on me, don't do it
So
on me.
now this is just some moisture mist, and I'm just gonna spray it on my face to get it kind of wet.
What, hit me.
Sorry. And
I'm
then
getting
the
mine.
cleanser for the Lumispa. Let me get the Lumispa a little wet. Put the cleanser on. And then you'll see when I start this, it has dual oscillating heads. This is what gives you the anti-aging benefits. So it starts, and then here we go. And so it actually will tell you when you're doing it, let's get it around a little bit. If you're going too fast, it will stop. And then if you push too hard, it will also stop. So you can see it's already like getting all the Sharpie off my face, which is so amazing. So it actually, it really cleanses away dirt, oil, makeup, pollutants, toxins. I mean, all the stuff that gets in your skin throughout the day. A lot of times I'll use this in the morning and then at night, and then like I'll wake up the next morning and use it again, and it somehow still gets stuff off my face even though I was just sleeping. So you guys, this is like amazing. I really can't believe. So all it takes is 2 minutes. So it runs for 30 seconds for 4 quadrants of your face. You can see I'm kind of going in quadrants. So 2 minutes a day if you use it once a day, 4 minutes a day if you use it twice. Oh my gosh, he got so close to it. Got so close to my eye. I might have to go through that with the eye attachment that you can get for your Lumispa. It's actually getting a little dry. Let me wet it. I might have to do, you know, a second round to actually get all of it off, but it's working pretty well. So you can see that, look at all that. All of the Sharpie came off. And so all you do is you pull this off your Lumispa. Just wash the head off, just like that. And it's nice and clean and it's ready for the next use. And so actually in the silicone head, there's no bristles or anything. In the silicone head, there's silver embedded, so that helps keep all the bacteria and things like at bay and harbor, so it doesn't harbor bacteria. So let me just wash this off a little bit. So just like that, yeah. I'm gonna have to go over that eye area just a little bit more. Oh, there's Darby. Darby's gonna use it. So yeah, so there you go. So like gentle that even a 5-year-old can use the Lumispa. Everybody loves them. It is the #1 cleansing device in the world. So if you are interested in getting a super clean face, just like I do every day, let me know. I do have a sale going on in my private group, Taylor's Treasures, so you can join that
Look at my brother, guys.
and find out more about it. But yeah, I'm gonna let these kids finish up their
It's not working.
It is working.
This actually works. Look.
I know, it actually works. So thanks for hanging with us, you guys, and watching us do the Sharpie challenge
Yes, and
with
you
our
can do it at
Lumispa, you could do it at home, and you can Lumi at home every day. So
if you have Lumispa.
If you have a Lumispa. So if you don't have a Lumispa, be sure to
Buy one.
grab the link below in the comments. There'll be a link for you to purchase one. Or if you have questions, just let me know directly. And we'll see you next week.
Have to do the jump on the pillow.
Okay, so I wanted to show you, I mentioned the eye attachment. This is what it looks like. So again, you just put it on and off. Already put a little bit of a cleanser under my eyes so I can, you know, get the rest of the Sharpie off. But same thing, you just turn it on and it's just a little cleanser. It's really soft to get your eyes, and this helps reduce bags and fine lines around your eyes. So it's really great. And again, you just do the 30-second quadrants. That's all it is. You can see it's getting the rest of the Sharpie off. Thank goodness. Okay, and there we go. In 3 minutes, I've completely washed and cleaned and Lumispa'd my face. Okay, so again, link is in the comments down below, and feel free to ask me any questions that you have.